One of the fastest way to start off with affiliate marketing is to go to Amazon.com and become an associate. On the website, you can check for Amazon Associates and click here or affiliate-program.amazon.com. Okay, and you are redirected to, okay, here you see Get Started. Hello, welcome to the new Amazon Associates Central. Here you see the navigation bar has been updated, account second, tracking IDs and sign out. Change the country, okay? Gonna get started. Okay, so first of all, provide tax information to receive payments. Please provide your tax information. For example, here we are. Now we're gonna see, okay, this is a brand new account. I want to, here my store is this one. Okay, select the market. Here I have different markets, as you can see. I live for the moment in the United States and have here. Okay, here we are. If you want to get customized traffic from your country, just get all this information here. You can check for here for a product by keyword or by ISBN, so product code. Product linking, you can product links, banners, and so on. Okay, so first gonna do is the following. I'm going to look, for example, here for products like MP3 player, as simple as that. Okay, I'm gonna get any of them. Okay, even this one. If I want to promote this, first of all, I'm going to check this number, ASIN, which is an Amazon number, identification number of a product. Okay, I'm going to check for this. I'm going to see where I am, and here we are. I get it here, this one. Okay. I may also look for ISBN if I'm looking for. Okay, here we don't have. If I have books or other products with this. I'm gonna leave this for a moment. I'm going to associate. I'm gonna paste my number and I found it. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the link. Here, this is my link on Amazon. I'm gonna copy this. Okay, I'm gonna build my link. Okay, and here we are. I already have my link and I can use this as an HTML on my blog or on my website. If I want to post on Facebook, the only thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this link only. You're gonna to have a shortened URL. So here we are. We get this one, so no one can understand that this is an affiliate one. Okay, and then I'm gonna in Facebook, if I'm gonna click on post, I'm gonna home, and if you're gonna post here, I'm gonna paste. Here we are. You see how this looks like. Okay, and automatically people will see my post and clicking here, going to Amazon, will purchase this product, and I get the commission. So as simple as that. This is a very fast way to make money. Go to Amazon, you get here your URL, just selecting a product by name or by ISIN.